Hello everyone, a new release is by Mini GT and the released models, so let's check it out. A Datsun 510 Wagon Brie version 1 in a beautiful Brie Datsun livery with 10-spoke chrome rims. A LB Silhouette Nissan 35 GT RR in passion pink color with black rooftop and black hood. A Ford GT MK2 #002 in beautiful Gulf livery in blue and orange color. A Pagani Zonda F in a Rosso Dubai color with a black rooftop and 10-spoke golden rims. A Bentley Molinar Bacalar in yellow flame color. A Porsche GT3 in sparkling silver color with silver rims. A Bugatti Chiron 300 Plus Super Sport in carbon fiber livery with some orange decals. A Lamborghini Huracan Evo Bologna Airport 2020 Follow Me car. A Lamborghini Huracan GT LB Works Digital Camouflage, a beautifully designed by Liberty Walk. A Lancia Stratos HF Stardeley in blue Venetian's color. a roof CTR anniversary in Irish green color, a beautiful looking car by minigt. A Lamborghini Aventador SVJ in a verde mantis color. A LBC Loud 35 GT RR version 1 Indonesia edition #384 in a beautiful wonderful Indonesia livery with blue rims on front and pink rims on rear. A Bugatti Chiron Purse Sport in a carbon fiber body with blue paint job. New upcoming models by minigt. So here's a sneak peek of an upcoming models by minigt. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like and share and subscribe so you can stay up to date.